Okay, welcome. This is Shakil. Welcome once again to our Udemy clone course. So yesterday we have done up to that places. We created the top navigation system. We just created the front page, the default front page. So what we are going to do today, we have some problems. You see, there is a preview button in the logo, but we don't like that. And we have some added. We add some styles over here. So what we are going to build, we are going to create a new page. You see, this is the by default. You don't need to do the routing like React.js. What you need to do, just create the page. So say if we create a page over here and we register page or sign up page, register.js. So register.js or FCE. React functional component or AFC. Okay, so if we navigate to the register page, you see register. You see this is the register page. So we will create a form almost like the Udemy. Start sign up and start learning, and password, strong password system. There is a confirmation system that I have gone through all of your conditions. So these are the form field stuffs. Okay, so we are going to make this, and along with that we want to create a link. You see, if we click the sign up button, nothing happens. If we click the sign up button right now, nothing happens. If we go to the front page and if we click the sign up button, nothing happens. So what we want to do, if we click the Udemy logo, it will land to the front page, and if we click the sign up button, it will land to the sign up page. So let's dive into the div. So this is the registration page, and first of all create the link. Okay, let's go. And another problem is here, you see. Okay, I'm showing you later what the problem we are facing right now. So what we can do, we can go to the main name. Okay, so create the link system. So in the when we click the image, we want to land in the front page, and first of all we want to stop the preview. So let's go preview false. Okay, let's see what will happen if we give preview false. Yeah, preview is false, no preview was over there. Okay, so we have solved one problems. Another problem is we want to create the link. We want to create link. Okay, so for link, what we need to do, just wrap the element or wrap the image tag by link component of React.js. Link href and give it the path slash means it's the front page. Okay, and wrap the image element by the, okay, this is the link component by default given by the React.js. So import link component, import link from next, I think link, if I am not wrong. Okay, so we have given the link, and another problem is there. Let's see what will happen. Okay, we cannot understand is because first of all we second we want to give a link here over here. Another thing, this is mandatory, you have to wrap the image element by a tag, clickable a tag, otherwise it will not work, I think. So let's see what will happen. This is the a tag, and go for another issue, and this is sign up. Okay, again like that, wrap the component by the link tag, href, not that, href, and where we want to go, register page. Okay, register. So try to be careful. If there is a typo, it will not work, I think. So a tag is already given there, so that's why no need to give the a tag. But a tag is mandatory. Link and a tag. This is the convention. You have to maintain the guideline. So I think this time it will work. Okay, let's see what will happen. Let's see if we click the sign up page. Yeah, boom, it's working. If we go to the register page, yeah, it's working. So it's working really great. So if we log into the sign up page, and what we can do, another thing is that we can also create another page. So you see the tremendous or the booming routing system which comes by default in React.js, in Next.js. So if you are in the React.js, you have to manually done the routing system, but Next.js automatically gives us that. Okay, let's create another page, and this is login page, login.js. So array React functional component, this is the login page. Okay, give it a name. This is login page. So we are going to implement the routing system. What is the login page? See, so what you need to do, you need to just wrap the href this is the /login, and wrap the element login, done, and you have to give the a tag. Okay, so I think it will work. So we have created the routing system. Let's see what will happen. This is the front page, this is login page. You see, this is login page. Okay, this is sign up page, register page, login page, and you see without page loads it renders. They navigate to the without page loads. So how much pretty good things it is. You see, without page loads, it navigates to our expected routing system. So what we have done over here, we just include the link component from next link, and wrap the element link the image or the navigation menu, and a tag is mandatory. So we have created the routing system. And another thing we are going to do here, though it is not showing any problem, even though we are doing to prevent the future, we want to destructure the items, submenu and items from the menu. So it will I am doing here to avoid the future problems. Okay, so in the register page we now need to do the other stuff. Okay, so what we give it a React fragment first of all to avoid the errors, and create a div, give it a class name. As we have bootstrap, so we can use it. So container, okay, container, then div class name row, then div class name column d, we are doing 6, and offset md, offset md3, Okay, what we will do, we are giving a 6, we want to keep the div in the center, and offset 3 means it will reduce 3, as it is a 12 column grid, so it will reduce 3 from left side and reduce 3 from right side, so including left and right 6, and main div is 6, so it's 12. So and now we need to create the form. Okay, so to create the form, I have already created the form. I'm just copy and pasting the form from here. So we are removing all the divs. Okay, I hope this will work pretty good. So what's wrong with it? Don't be afraid. Yeah, boom, it's working. One another thing we give here is on tech sign up, like start sign up and start learning. It's a bit of jumbotron. Though jumbotron is not working in React 5, but if you write this code over here or the class over bootstrap class, it will work like a jumbotron in React 5. So I think we are pretty good to go with the registration page. So this is the front page. Okay, this is the login page, this is the sign up page. Okay, so okay, now today next day what will we do, we'll create a login page, and we will create our sign up page fully functional. We will grab the input output in a React state. You know, React state is very powerful, and we by conceiving all this data from the form element, we will send it to the backend, and in the backend this data will be received by the request body, and then we will process. Okay, so no more today. If you like the video, please like, share. It will be a booming tutorial, it will be a good tutorial. You will able to learn a lot of things, the complete learning management system. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned, and